Have you ever looked at a bouquet and imagined it growing in the garden? Imagine a garden that inhales spring and exhales a sigh. Petals like powdered sugar, paths softened by lavender. Today I'll show you how a simple palette of pink, lavender, and white can guide the design of a dreamy cottage garden. Group these blooms in sweeps of color. Rose clusters for structure, stalks and dahlias for vertical moments, tulips for spring punctuation, and painted daisies and carnations to fill and soften. Aim for repeating the palette through the beds so that pink, lavender, and white appear like little echoes across the garden. Gerbera daisies add brightness, simple, cheerful cottage garden favorites. In the garden, I chose a dahlia in place of the disbud mum. It offers a similar fullness without the extra pruning that disbudding requires. Dahlias are late summer fireworks in a soft gown, generous sculpted blooms that carry warmth into autumn. Pink roses are the garden's love letter, layered, fragrant, and endlessly forgiving. They melt sunlight into petals and tuck nostalgia into every bloom. Painted daisies are a classic cottage garden favorite, cheerful, long blooming, and wonderfully low fuss once established, and they are perfect for loose, rustic bouquets. White tulips are the quiet guests at a pastel tea, pure, sculptural, and perfectly poised between winter and spring. Carnations are frilly, lightly scented, and quietly old-fashioned. They are wonderfully long-blooming and the sort of bloom that lingers in a jar on your bedside table. Stalk unfurls like a perfume-laden candle in the garden, upright romantic spikes that read like old letters. By late afternoon, the garden has turned into a watercolor. Pink roses holding the sun's last warmth, lavender stalk catching the breeze, white tulips glowing like quiet lanterns. Dahlias stand generous and proud, painted daisies dance at their feet, and carnations tuck their frilled faces into the garden. A palette like this doesn't just decorate a garden, it sets a mood, a rhythm, a way of moving through the season. And when you're ready to dream a little further, I'll be sharing an expanded version of this pastel palette with even more pink, lavender, and white flower suggestions in an upcoming video. There's another story to tell before that one arrives. So stay a while and I'll meet you there.